guys, this is my final finished product of my work. Date kanina, yan. Ay, bulog! Ay, ayun o, ang gigil na. Nagigigil siya, nagigigil din ako. So, ayan na ang aking visit na tapon. Hala, ano yan? Ayun nga. So, ayan na siya. Sabi ko na kanina, nulit ko na. So, actually, this is supposed to be minatamis na saging. But, I thought it would be great idea if I will add some gelatin. Bumili ba talaga ng gelatin para kala ko matatapping siya. Pag nag-search pa ako kung effective ba, nalalagay papakuluan ko. But turns out, natunaw siya. So, gelatin was combined in the sabaw, sa sabaw, and I thought, kala ko it would stay solidify, diba? Eh hindi. So ang gagawin natin lang, so ang gagawin natin, hihiwain natin tsaka kainin na natin siya. Kuha lang ako ng ano. So, ang gagawin na, ayan, kainin natin siya. You know that. Hihiwain natin siya. And tingnan natin kung ano. It would be great idea. Hihiwain na natin. Hindi na kumahan ako. Ito. Pero hindi siya hindi siya matigas, hindi siya ay, wala akong kung ano. So, itang ko lang ako ng ano. So, this is the final look. Wait lang. Ay, may langgam. Reset. Ay. Yan. Ito na siya. It's so nice. Ay, tapon. It's so very nice. Kita niyo ba yan, guys? Para siyang Ayan, may feeling siya na condense, diba? Pero ang gagawin ko talaga, minatamis. Visit. Naiinis ako. Yan na siya. So, titikman na natin siya. Hindi kita mo yan. Yan. So, dapat merong sound effect. Ay, napatay ko na pala yung ano. Meron siyang sound effect. Hihinaan ko lang. Wait lang. Dapat may sound effect siya. So, ano ang gusto niyong patagtagin ko, guys? Nakakonik mo? Anong gusto niyong patagtagin ko? Mamili kayo. Basta ako mamimili, hindi kayo. Yung magandang song. Ito. Yan. Why you even lie to yourself? Ay, baliktad. Baliktad. Oh, yan. Baliktad yung damit ko. Yan siya, guys. Titikman na lang natin siya first bite. Pero natikman ko na siya kanina. Bobo. Are you mine or mine? I wanna you tell me that it's mine or not alright. Tell me take your time. I wanna see your body in the morning light, alright. Ito na. Maayos na. Ito na siya guys. Sige naman. Saan niya maganda? Dito o dito? Ito na lang. Uy, ma-floppy siya oh. Kinakabahan ako. May aftertaste siya guys. Parang masarap siya pero may aftertaste siya. You know that? Parang lasang sabon yung gelatin. Ay, ang kinis ko dito. Kinis ko, nagluot na ba ako? Nagat ako sa nanay ko guys. Pero okay naman siya, masarap siya. Siyempre, igagasat ko sarili ko, luto ko to eh. Pero okay siya, yung consistency, yung pagka-gelatin niya is okay naman siya. Yung siya, malambot. It's easy to gano'n. And siguro yung procedure lang talaga, parang medyo nababoy. I don't think it would be great idea. Ano ka pa dyan? Sige, sige. Nakikita. Hindi ako nasarapan. Personally. Ang nagpasarap ng talaga sa kanya is yung gatas. Creme densada ang nilagay ko sa dito, guys. Ang dami niya, B. Gusto ko sa mother ko. Ang dami niyang creme densada. Ang dami kong nailagay. It's giving. Tsaka parang hindi rin parang hindi nag-stick yung sa banana kasi nilagay ko ata kagad yung gelatin. Jijiwa? Mubit. Jijiwa? Wala rin niya akong kainin to. Silly love, no, but you leave that night. I ran back for the trees and dry on. Would you do that twice? So guys, I highly recommended na pakinggan nyo yung song ni Leanne. She's a former member of Little Mix, which was my biggest idol. They are my favorite artist, girl group in the world. There's no one can ever compare to them. Like, but they are underrated at the same time. But they are the best. Underrated doesn't mean not talented. Talentless. No, that's not it work. No, that. So, ayun. And so now, sadly, they are splitted. They are splitted. You know, splitted? Yung nag-split ka. Yung nag-split, naghiwalay na sila. Pero, hiatus pa naman sila. And they are still reunited at this moment, ganon. Nagkikita pa naman sila and they publicize their reunions. And sinasabi nila sa interview nila na they are family, they are friend, like that. And they are all solo artists now. And ayun, Leanne released 2 single which is called Don't Say Love and My Love. And she released her debut EP also, which have 7 tracks, which is Still in Love, Forbidden Fruit, I'll Still Be Here, Anticipate, and Oh My God. And her surprise track is Nature, which was my favorite in the EP. Yes, it has reggae genre. Reggae, yeah. And promotion is magre-release si Jay this January 10 ng kanyang, I don't know if it is promotional or single na talaga, pero It Girl. Papakinggan ba ano kasi? I am the It Girl. I got the whole world into the sweetness I bourbon. Hindi ko maintindihan yung lyrics. So, ayun na guys. So, hindi ko na kayang pakita sa inyo kasi mag-full storage na. So, ayun na. I hope you like it.